So unfortunately, today is going to be the last day that you guys will see this chair in any of my videos. It was a good chair while it lasted. You guys probably didn't give a single crap about it, but we're going to go out with a bang and I'm going to eat a jalapeno on this chair. You guys are going to say, oh, that ain't spicy. That's not a spicy jalapeno. I have a really weak mouth with spices. So to me, this dried up, little shriveled, really not that spicy pepper is gonna kill me. And then I'm gonna be in a shitty mood for the rest of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna eat this fully. Ugh, it just smells like shit. Oh. Oh no. It's not even that bad, it just tastes like shit. I've had tons of those. Whenever I eat pizza, I get one. And normally they taste fine. And they're really spicy. I'm not gonna lie, that one wasn't that spicy. It just tasted like ass. Anyways, let's get into the video. What is going on, guys? My name is Dude7 and today we got a brand new video. I'm just gonna be kind of vlogging my day. Just tighten the end links on my car. The right one's gone loose again, so I'm just gonna do the left one as well. I think I'm also gonna rotate my right side tire because I did on the left side and now it kind of leans to the right when I'm driving. So I think I do run more camber on the rear, so there's obviously some wear that's on the front tire that isn't on the rear tire, which blah blah blah. Add that together means that I'm turning to the right when I'm driving because I only did the left side. Alright, let's get straight into it. We gotta put the car in blocks. That's probably one of the most biggest things I hate right now is that I don't have a low pro jack. So I have to put the car on blocks. And now that I have a lip too, makes it a little more difficult to line it up. Car's looking really good. I cut polished the half front of it, so now I just got the doors, but honestly, like, it's looking pretty fresh right now. So I did order my wheels. My wheels are coming in. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to do that because I just told you guys. All the Instagram viewers get all the heads up on what's going on. So the wheels have been purchased. I'm waiting for those to come in. And then also I got the side skirts that I'm waiting for my clips to come in because I didn't actually buy them. I thought I bought them, but I didn't buy them. So I went on there and I actually bought them. So now I have to wait another week. So everything's coming together. Let's go ahead, raise the car up. Okay, so now that I've done the wheel swap, I'm less concerned about that. It makes me happy knowing that I finally did that, and I know I needed to do that. So now, since that's done, I'm going to lift up the other side of the vehicle. Then I'm going to take off my other front wheel. Then we're going to tighten and retorque the end links, and then that should be the end of the day. I gotta take out the rear one day and find out what's clunking back there, but that's another project. So we're back with the pesky end links. So I'm gonna need to tighten this bolt and the bolt right on this side. Mainly this is just loose because I replaced it. I under torqued it, and then I mean this side always goes over bumps. I'm gonna do this side. I know the other side doesn't need it, but I just want to torque it to the spec. So I'm gonna do a 41 because they rate it at 39 to 41 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna do it 41. If it does again, I'll do 42. So I'm gonna do 41.5. Okay, so that one's tight. So I think I went about 42 there, just to be safe. Please give me 5 seconds. So I just tightened the top one. It didn't seem that loose, although it did move a little bit more than the bottom one. So hopefully that does fix the issue. Otherwise, then I'm gonna have more clunking, and that's exactly what I don't want. I'm just gonna check each bolt again just for proper torquing, just to make sure. Rally armor mud flap. Look at this. This is gonna be an aesthetic shot. Okay, so okay. I got you, Pam. Look at this. Look at this. You see that? See that torque wrench over there? It's blurred out. You know why? Because it looks cool. Oh, that's looser than a goose. Okay, end links are done. Let's put the shit back on. Guys, come watch how satisfying this is. I don't know if you guys have this kind of torque wrench or if you even torque your wheels on at all. If you don't, then I'm a little ashamed. Ready? Listen. Listen to this. Oh, satisfaction. It's like opening a fresh can of Coke. Done. Onion ring. So this is like 3 days later. I had to do it again because my end links were going nuts. I hit a huge pothole, so I just took it off once again and retightened it. So basically I can say that the first time didn't end up by working. I mean, it worked for like 2 minutes and I hit the biggest pothole in the century of this in Canada. So now I just tighten it up again. We're gonna go see if it works. Go for a little drive, go over some bump. Look how clean it is in here. Is this not the cleanest Mazda 3 you've ever seen in your life? That's a little dirty, don't mind that. I know you guys like that. Oh, come on, mama. Don't play that game on me. All right. Okay, let's go. Here, first bump. First bump. You guys listen, because it's over here. Here we go. Nothing. Nothing so far. Okay, I got the next one coming up here. I got a really good one I can show you guys and burn down. I did torque the bolts to 45 foot-pounds this time instead of 41 because I had them at 41. Okay, here we go. This is the truth. Okay, I heard a noise. I honestly don't know. I think it might be my sway bar bushings, but like, I mean, it's not that bad anymore. Like, it's not going nuts. So in the end, I honestly, like, I don't know what it is. It almost sounded like it was the sway bar. So we're gonna leave it, see if it makes any more noise, see if the noise progressively gets worse. Then we know that I may have to tighten it more to like maybe 50 foot-pounds. I should go to Mazda and ask what they torque those bolts to, even though you can't really torque them, because how Mazda's OEM end links are is they have the Allen key, so you can't really torque them unless you got a certain tool, which I'm pretty sure they don't have. So maybe I'll ask them, but right now it's fine. It should have made noise on those bumps that I went over, but it didn't. But otherwise, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. But my name is Do7, and I'll see you guys in the next one.